So I'm kind of working on a turn-based RPG similar to Legend of Legaia back on PS1 in the late 90s. I don't know where this character model came from. I just snagged it. I applied a PS1 vertex snapping shader to it. So that's why it's you see like the cylinder in the back not jittering around or like coming into frame whenever it turns. But the model itself is, but it's not even because of the model. It's because of the texture itself. But essentially, so there's nothing at the bottom left side of the screen, so it doesn't matter if this is down here. This is the console knows all. That's the important part. But right here, you can see at the top left which character is going, but also with the camera focusing on them. You press the A button, and it's begin or flee. If you press left, obviously there's. This is all just for the combat function. Excuse me. Well, yeah, if I press left, it'll attempt to flee, but that's not programmed in yet. So press right to start, and you're given all of these things. So you got ability, which isn't programmed yet. It's going to be like either special moves or magic powers. Items. I don't have many items, but yeah, this is what works. You can see me toggling through it up and down. I forgot to enable the image that's supposed to be right here, but that's alright. It works. It still works as needed. Let's get to the combat. I got 2 entire moves programmed right now, so I'm in the fighting mode, so I don't have any animations for them either, but it works. So there's 2 of them. Right, left, right does a back fist, and then right, left, up will do an uppercut. And how I have it set up is it'll piggyback off the last input that's used, so that way you can string together attacks and whatever else. But so the first player was able to use up to 5 moves because of their I guess like action index. I don't really know what to call it to make sense, but yeah. This one can only do 3, so after that third input, you can see at the bottom left where it says right, left, up. And I can change between the targets as well. So at the bottom, you can see it also saying that too. So runs to the target, and then it starts damaging. And you can see at the bottom right how many times it actually hits along with the damage being done. And this is very unpolished, but everything does work as it should. I don't have the enemy stuff too well in there, but it is taking damage to the players themselves. So right here, can't really, I don't know how zoomed in it is, but it started out at 500 health and now it's at 480. But there's also one, so scroll down here. So you got the action points and current ones. I'm gonna do spirit, which gives action points. It also provides stamina too, so if the character runs out of stamina, they won't be able to perform that move specifically. And I got the stamina also programmed into here with like the character stats. So now I should be able to do 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see at the bottom left it does it. But if I press B and go back, it clears out the entire list, and then I can just re-input whatever I want to again. And same thing with items. So I'm going to use a healing item onto. I don't have the characters set up where it gives proper feedback, but it does. It is changing over, so I'm going to use it on the character that took damage. So if I press A, and then it starts the combat. That 35 was it was either a crit or something else. I programmed it, I don't even remember. But yeah, like the character's health did go back up to 500. And now one of the characters should be dead, which I don't have feedback for that either. Yeah, it's not letting me toggle between the enemies anymore. I don't know what that's about. That's a bug. So it's saying item, but I might not have the boolean reset for it, so that's why. Yeah, I forgot to reset the boolean, but it basically got stuck here. Let me fix that really quick. So my code is all spaghettified right now. Let's see. So it's not in the reset functions. Whoops. No, not there. That's the wrong one. Or is it the right one? VM reset. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Item equals false. Guard equals false. I forgot to set these variables, but that should fix everything. There's no proper feedback from the battle's over too, but like it doesn't let the player input anything. So do 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 do. Bow. So let's see. I gotta fix that because it looks like it's only targeting the first player in the list. But yeah, let me finish up. Actually, there's a slight programming error with that as well. It should select the character itself by default, yeah. So if I go to item, select it, and click on him, yeah, it uses that one as well. And it won't let me toggle between enemies. And so health is back to 500. Ben player is attacking, and the enemy is also attacking now. And it'll keep allowing the character being targeted to continuously be damaged until it's over. But yeah, and that's it. The combat is finished, and what should happen after is, I don't have experience or levels implemented yet, but essentially have like the levels go up if experience hits the proper amount. But yeah, that is my turn-based game with my spaghettified code with a bunch of checks and debug logs.